Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make mandala or radial art. Basically, radial art is where all the sides of the art of the design is similar, and as you can see on screen I'm showing you some of my own and personal ones I have made. This one I'm currently showing is one of my favorites, and this one is also my favorite. So for this video, I'm using the app Autodesk Sketchbook. It's a free-to-use app that you can use on your computer and iPad. So let's get into it. So press plus and press new sketch. Now for this task, you want to have a square design. So I suggest making sure they're both the same. Now if it doesn't allow you, let's say it says 500 and then if I type 5,000, let's say I type 300 and it's automatically setting one for you, press this button on the side and it'll disable that. So you can make it 180, 800, 800. Okay, as long as it's a square, it'll be good. And press create. Now to start off, there's many things we need to add. First press on this and then you will get symmetry. Then press on radial and choose the number of sides you want. Basically what we're doing is that if I draw one side, it's going to connect all the others. So boom, boom, something like that. So I'm going to be making 8 and then lock it so it doesn't move. Because then it moves and that ruins the symmetry. Okay? Do not touch anything else and let's move on. Then press predictive stroke and make it 5. That means when it says draw something, something that's really common and you hold it and then let go, it will draw something. This feature is on iOS 14 and stuff like that. Okay, so to start off, choose a pen. Which pen am I using? I am using the fine line pen. Okay, and I suggest using a size 18-20. Okay, you can use paint tapered and I'll use paint tapered instead. Okay, so we're going to start off with a triangle. So I'm going to make a triangle. There you go. And boom. Okay, so as you can see, if I draw it on one side, I'll draw for the other 8. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cool like that. So to do that, okay, go up and then down, and it kind of looks cool. Now you can create however you want. You can create one with just like these, for example, like those, or you can create however you want. Okay, so I'm just going to move that on the side. So I'm going to draw a triangle, a small triangle, okay? Then I will be drawing another triangle, or no, I'm going to draw something like that, like a small flower to make it look like a flower. Going to draw a triangle. I'm doing a basic pattern. You don't even have to. You can make it really simple. Like that, boom, okay? And then the final touch is a boom, the razor sharp, I like to call it. And done. See? It was really simple. Now, obviously, I'm not good at art. So to color this, I have found a secret tip. And to do that, don't tell anyone. And if you want to know what the secret tip is, remember to like and subscribe, okay? So the first thing, I want you to lock this layer. You can do that by pressing lock layer, okay? Or you can press this little lock symbol on the side, okay? Once it's locked, add a new layer and draw on it, okay? Okay? And choose your first color. I'm gonna use aqua, okay? Aqua blue. And I'm gonna color, okay? It's okay if it goes above it, because that's where the secret tip is, okay? So I'm going to keep on drawing, okay? So I'm going to next do green. And since we have the radial design symmetry thingy on, I don't know the name, sorry guys. It basically allows us to color one side and then color all the other sides for us. So I'm coloring, color, okay? Oops, accidentally do that. And by the way, if you want to go back, there are 2 arrows on the top. Next I'm going to use is pink. I don't know why, but I did use pink, okay? I'm going to make it looking really odd, but hey. Okay. Now, as you notice that, obviously it's going above the black. It looks ugly, right? But I'm going to show you something once I finish drawing the final touches. And basically try to cover up all the all the parts of that shape, because then the tip will work better, or else I'll have to keep on going back to change it. Okay, so blah, that's good, and yep, that's good. As you can see right now, it looks really ugly, but I'm going to show you that tip. Okay, and I'll give you a hint. It has to do something related to Photoshop. Okay, you can think about it, and yeah. Okay, so I've got it done, and okay. Now, before I show you this secret tip, I know you guys might be saying I'm stalling, but whatever. Choose a background color, and to do that, go on this bottom layer, and then you can make it transparent, or choose that, and you can choose a color. I'm gonna use a light color like pink, or maybe tan. Yeah, I'm gonna use tan, and that is perfect. Now here's the secret. I told you it has to do with Photoshop, and what I meant was that by layers. In Photoshop, you have multiple layers, and if you change it, it will change what goes on top and under. So I want you to drag your tracing and drag it above, and boom, it created. Basically what it did was made the lines thicker, and basically whatever was above it went under it. So like as you see, whatever is gonna go under it. Okay. And it's really easy actually now that I've shown you guys. So yeah, so you can make it however you want. You can also add like a cool design on the top, like for only 4. You can create however you want. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so you never miss out on my videos. Check out my mom's channel because she has made a lot of Christmas themed stuff. And yeah, so see you later guys. Bye bye.